Hello traders, in this video we explain how the maximum daily loss trading objective works. We have developed this trading objective so that traders can become experienced risk managers with the habits of professional traders. So what is the maximum daily loss? Instead of describing just the theory, I will try straight with the examples so you can fully understand it. We could call this trading objective Trader's Daily Stop Loss. For a normal risk account type, the limit is set at 5%, and for the aggressive risk type, the limit is increased to 10% of the initial balance. Let's take the normal risk with 5% for instance. If you have a $200,000 FTMO account, you must never exceed the total equity loss of $10,000 in one day. And that means if you had a losing streak and the total loss would result in minus $8,000 in one trading day, your permitted loss for the rest of the day would be $2,000 before exceeding the limit. Now, bear in mind that maximum daily loss works with your equity, and therefore both floating positions and your closed positions are included in the calculation. And also, please note that the maximum daily loss resets at midnight CEST. Let's say you had a great start of the week, and your Monday trading session resulted in a closed profit of $4,000. Your maximum permitted loss for the rest of the day is now at $14,000. If you would now open a new trade which would go into a $13,000 floating loss, then up until 11:59 p.m. you would still be staying within the limit because, as mentioned previously, your permitted loss for the rest of the day would be $14,000. However, as I said, the maximum daily loss resets at midnight CEST, so at 12 a.m. on Tuesday, your permitted loss is by default reset to $10,000. If you would still be carrying the $13,000 floating loss, you would exceed the limit as the profits made on the previous day no longer count in a new day. So, let's summarize the facts. The maximum daily loss resets at midnight CEST, which means you should use the FTMO time zone converter to know when exactly does the max daily loss reset in your local time. So let's open the time zone converter here and let's randomly pick Tokyo time, which is now at GMT +9. Now, as we can see, the maximum daily loss limit will reset exactly at 7 a.m. Tokyo time. Alright traders, now that we've cleared all the details, you should be able to fully understand this trading objective. Take your risk management seriously, trade safe, and I'll see you in the next video.